Okay, one of the side projects, my personal projects that I'm working on is um, comparing my mom's language with a language outside of the country. I'm just comparing them to see similarities. I spoke with a linguist, a professor, a linguistics professor, and he said when we compare languages, they can have similar features, but it doesn't mean that they are related. So a black person can be found in Africa and also in Melanesia, but they are not related. And the same goes for languages. So as I'm comparing my mom's language with another language from outside Melanesia, um, I'll have to keep that in mind. That even we'll have to keep that in mind. Sorry, that even though these two languages may look similar grammatically, um, they're not uh, related genetically. Right? Yeah. So that's all.